Well, the time has come to celebrate me. Happy Potato Day, everybody! Yes, it is Potato Day, and I'm ready to celebrate. I'm gonna be making something out of potatoes. I'm making potato croquettes with some goat cheese. And I'm gonna be using shake and bake. Do you remember that? And I'm gonna be using my air fryer as well. Join me while I celebrate Potato Day. For this, I'm chopping and boiling 3 types of potatoes. A regular russet potato, a purple potato, and a sweet potato. Did you know sweet potatoes aren't actually potatoes? But I still want to celebrate them. Well, we're going to boil them, and soon we're going to turn these into mashed potatoes. There are 5,000 types of potatoes. Boil them, mash them. Each bag of Lay's potato chips contains about 4 to 5 potatoes. Add some butter. Taters gonna tate. They're tating today. And I'm gonna add some goat cheese too. That comes right from a goat. For additional flavor, I'll add some garlic, some pimentos, and some paprika. Mix it up. Ow! If you have a bad burn, dip those potato skins in honey and put it on top of that burn. I'm gonna let it chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes just to let it stiffen up a bit. The largest potato ever grown was 7 pounds. Okay, I'm gonna take a little ball of potato and form it into a little patty. Then I'm gonna put it in some shake and bake. I haven't had shake and bake in years. I'm gonna put it right from the shake and bake into my air fryer. I'm just gonna put them in my air fryer at 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway. The potato was the first vegetable grown in space. All done, let's give it a try. They look really good. I love that shake and bake on top. The goat's cheese and the potato, I just love that flavor. And the spices in the shake and bake really helps it taste great. I'm happy with this. You should try making a croquette too. Every day, 1 billion people eat a potato. Potato Day 2021. I'm not the only one who made a recipe celebrating the potato. Some of my friends did too. You can see their videos by looking at my playlist, Potato Day 2021. It's a hashtag as well. Thanks for tuning in to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. As always, it's a joy seeing you here. Potatoes have more potassium than a banana, more vitamin C than an orange, and more fiber than an apple. What's the difference between pea soup and mashed potatoes? Anybody can mash potatoes.